Hello viewers, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make three different varieties of dosa. First I'm going to make methi dosa. So for that I have got kasuri methi here, sesame oil and dosa dough, dosa batter. So dosa batter can first putting kataka 3 cups of parboiled rice and 1 spoon of raw rice and 1 cup of urud dal. So adellam grind panni, ferment panni. This is ready. I also added 1 spoon of fenugreek seeds in this dosa batter. So first I am going to mix the kasuri methi with the dosa batter. So at the time of grinding, I already added salt in the dosa batter, so I'm not adding any additional salt. And if you have fresh fenugreek leaves, you can add that, but kasuri methi gives more flavor. Okay, now my tawa is ready. I'm going to make dosa now. It's a very healthy and tasty dosa. So especially good for people with diabetes, or if people are wanted to weight loss or anything, so please try this. Now I'm going to put some oil, sesame oil. My methi dosa is almost ready. I'm going to flip this now. Already I'm getting the flavor of methi. It's a very healthy dosa. We already added fenugreek seeds in the dosa batter, and I'm also added kasuri methi, so it's highly nutritious, healthy and very flavorful. Now my methi dosa is almost ready, and we're going to fold it like this. You can serve this dosa with chutney or sambar or even molaga puri. Next I'm going to make palak methi dosa. So this palak I got it from my garden. So I chopped the palak finely, and then I already made a methi dosa. In the same batter I'm going to mix the palak leaves. Now my palak methi batter is ready. I'm going to make dosa now. So I'm making palak methi dosa. It's very healthy and nutritious dosa. It's very good for kids and very easy to make. Now I'm going to add some oil. I'm putting sesame oil. I'm going to flip it now. My palak methi dosa is almost ready. It looks great. As you can see, it's very easy to make and very healthy too. Now my crispy, yummy palak methi dosa is ready. You can serve this with chutney or sambar. Next I'm going to make spring onion dosa. So for that I have dosa batter here and chopped spring onions, and I also have Szechuan chutney, which is a spicy chutney. It has ginger and garlic and chilies, and then I'm using sesame oil. I don't like to add ghee or butter, especially while making spring onion dosa. It's totally up to you. If you want, you can use it, but I prefer to use sesame oil for any of my Chinese recipes. Now I'm going to mix the spring onion in the dosa batter. Now spring onion dosa is getting ready. It's so easy to make, very healthy. Now I'm going to pour some sesame oil. I'm already getting the fragrance of spring onion. At this stage, I'm going to apply some Szechuan chutney. It gives a very nice taste. You can serve this spring onion dosa even without the chutney. Either way, it tastes good. Now I'm going to flip the dosa. It looks great. I'm getting the smell of the garlic, ginger, spring onions. So every day, instead of making plain dosa, for a change you can try like this, and kids will love it. And it's almost ready now. You can serve this dosa with Szechuan chutney. Now my spring onion dosa is ready. It looks very yummy, crunchy and crispy. So my 3 dosas are ready. I have spring onion dosa, palak methi dosa and methi dosa. So you can serve this with Szechuan chutney or any chutney, sambar or malaga puri. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Take care.